Hi everyone, Melissa here coming on today with a card share. Thought I would pop in and show what I created. I am giving this card to my son-in-law for my grandchildren. And let me just start out by saying I use these enamel dots here. And they're from Echo Park. I use the black ones. I recently picked up this dad die from My Creative Time. And as well as this stamp set from My Creative Time. And I am using this one right here. You are simply the best. And so this background embossing folder came from Darice. I want to say it's called bow tie and tie-dye. I mean, bow tie and tie embossing folder, but I'm not definite. And then this set here I got from Shishi Crafts. She gifted me this. I assume it's from AliExpress or whatever this company is here, if you can see that there. All right, so that's where I got that from. Was from Shishi Crafts. All right, so let me just jump right in and share this here. Oh, and I did forget to get the inside card, die, which is from Hero Arts, and those are the Infinity dies. But I thought that turned out really good. This paper pack that I'm using, I'm going to show you that paper pack. It's right here, and it's called Warm and Cozy paper pack from Echo Park? No, Cartabella. And I really like this for manly cards, or masculine cards. I really like that set for that. All right, and so there it goes right there. I thought it turned out really cute and perfect for the kids' dad. And like I said, there goes the inside of my card. Tell me what you think. I just wanted to come on and do a quick card share and maybe give you a little inspiration for Father's Day. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Make sure you check out the picture at the end as well. Thanks so much.